Counting double-digit thousands.
Hi, thanks for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to be looking at the Homiee backpack from Amazon. This is the bag itself. This is the bag that I purchased from Homiee. It's an average size backpack. It has a grey material finish. It has the one large zipper, one at the front. Here I've just got a notebook and pen and some few bits and pieces in here. Really long and goes right down to the bottom. The front, it also has this sort of plastic rubbery material at the front, so protecting it as well. To the side, it has a pocket which is elasticated and can carry a good sized water bottle as well. Put that to one side. You also notice it has two sockets. It has a USB output and a headphone jack, which is really handy, and I'll show you the inside in a moment where the cables are connected inside. On the other side is another side pocket. This I've got my umbrella, and to the back has really well padded straps. Has a trolley strap as well, so this can be slid onto your trolley bag for easy carrying, and also a hidden pocket as well, and in here you can put your passport, keys, credit cards, documents, to keep them safe since it's against your back. It's a mesh back, well ventilated and really comfortable to wear. And I also noticed that there is also a spectacles holder as well for your glasses. The bag also has a really handy, well sponged handle as well, so if you just want to carry it like a normal bag, you can do so. So having a look inside the compartment, the main compartment, you find that in here I tend to carry my laptop, and with that comes this really handy strap to velcro it away. The only thing that it doesn't is that it's not adjustable, and it has the one fixture for the velcro. So here I've got my laptop, and this is a 14-inch average ultrabook laptop. But the pocket itself is quite large, it's well protected inside and padded as well. Another compartment stores my cables, so I've got an extra USB, my headphones, etc. keep in there. The only thing with this, unfortunately, is it's quite flimsy, but it's okay for my needs. The main compartment itself, here I just store an extra for my laptop charger, and really good size, well protected as well. The next pocket again has a couple, so in here got some business cards, my mouse, pen holder, some more space for the cables, and this is where the cables for the outside socket lie. So you got your USB and your headphone jack as well, which plugs into your smartphone or music player. So I just keep these wrapped up inside, out of the way. And their final pocket is where I can keep my extra USB cable, so connect it from the outside to my smartphone, and also my portable battery charger, which I did a review on as well, which I'll link below. And finally, enough space to hold a 7-inch tablet as well. Overall, the bag is really nice. I've used it, as I say, on a overnight stay with plenty of space to put my shoes, overnight essentials, and extra pair of clothing as well. But yeah, I'm happy with the bag itself. It's light, you know, and great for my needs. So I hope you like the review, and I'll put a link to the actual bag itself if you feel like you want something like this is something for you as well.